Are you sick of spending hours chopping up your long videos into TikToks, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts? Maybe you tried other auto editors and liked the idea, but felt they were too expensive, buggy, or just limited. Or perhaps you grabbed a lifetime deal on a tool that promised the moon but delivered a clunky experience instead. If that sounds like you, stick around, because I have been testing a bunch of options and I want to show you a better alternative: Vizard. Repurposing long-form content is the fastest hack for growth right now, but the manual approach is a massive time sink. The ideal tool should find viral moments, add clean captions, respect your branding, and schedule posts so you do not have to babysit it. Vizard attempts to solve all of those pain points in one place, so let's dive into how it actually performs in a real workflow. First, let's keep it simple. Vizard automatically detects the most engaging segments of your long videos to create ready-to-post clips. You get automated captions, on-brand templates, and simple editing controls that make the process incredibly fast. Plus, there is an auto-schedule feature where you just tell the AI how often you want to post, and it handles the queue for you. The content calendar even lets you move clips around and publish straight to your socials, which cut my weekly workload in half. But let me be real. I tested Vizard side by side with other tools to give you a fair, honest picture of the landscape. Some competitors are good at finding highlights but act like a one-trick pony with pricing that scales way too quickly. I have also seen those cheaper lifetime tools that end up having major feature gaps or frustrating, buggy exports. Those experiences made me much more selective about software stability and reliable support. What stood out with Vizard was that the clip discovery is actually thoughtful and intelligence-driven. I uploaded a long podcast episode, and Vizard returned a stack of highlights that aligned with key topics, not just random loud moments. The AI analyzes your transcript, detects shifts in topics, and ranks segments based on what is likely to perform well. That means less manual hunting for timestamps and way more time to spend on creative nuance. The editor is lightweight but very useful, giving you control over captions, templates, and trims without requiring a professional background. You can pick caption styles, adjust colors, and highlight specific words for that extra bit of visual emphasis. There is also a brand kit feature that lets you upload your logo and set an intro, which Vizard applies consistently to your clips. I really liked that I could save templates, so once my look was dialed in, future clips automatically followed that style. There are a few practical things worth mentioning, like the fact that Vizard gives you great flexibility with your own assets. The AI also offers smart transitions and will automatically switch to the active speaker, making interview clips feel much more dynamic. That little behavior, automatically selecting the shot based on who is talking, is a huge win for short-form content. Exporting and posting, where a lot of tools stumble, worked very smoothly for me. I was able to export clips with caption burn-ins and native files, and the audio quality was consistently solid. Auto-schedule is really where Vizard saved me the most time, queuing clips across my platforms automatically. The content calendar allowed me to preview what would go live, giving me total control over my content strategy. That orchestration is what separates a nice toy from an actual professional workflow saver. Now, no tool is perfect, so you should know what to expect before committing to a platform. Some competitors promise lifetime access, but confuse users with complicated plans and vague feature limitations. In my tests, Vizard's support was reachable, and their product roadmap was reasonably transparent about upcoming features. That transparency is a big deal if you are planning to rely on a tool for your business long-term. Another common pain point is clunky caption editing, where you are often stuck with one single style. Vizard's caption editor strikes a nice balance. You can edit the text, break lines, and nudge the position exactly where you want it. The goal here is not to create a Hollywood film, but to produce scroll-stopping social clips quickly. Pricing is reasonable, but definitely be mindful of usage caps if you plan on churning out dozens of videos every single day. The middle tier is usually the sweet spot if you are serious about building a content machine. My workflow is simple. Upload the link, let the AI generate clips, pick the best ones, apply a template, and queue them up. That is it. You go from a long recording to scheduled posts with almost zero manual heavy lifting. A few final notes. Always do a quick check of your exports before hitting publish, just to be safe. If you want to A/B test styles, use the calendar to schedule different versions across the week. So, is Vizard worth it? If you are making content consistently and want to scale without hiring an editor, the answer is yes. It is not a perfect substitute for full manual editing when you need advanced effects, but for 80% of your work, it is a massive time saver. Go ahead and upload a short video to see how the AI picks moments. I think you will be surprised at what it finds. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more hands-on tool breakdowns. Drop a comment if you want me to test a specific use case, and I will see you in the next one.